I wanted to put a Wave 3 catalytic heater in this camper, but it was hard to find a place for it. I thought about putting it on this wall, but you need 30 inches of clearance in front of the heater, and I would have only had about 21 inches. So I decided to make it a portable heater, and it stows under the seat, which is also where the regular furnace is. The first time we went camping in this camper, we turned on the furnace. It was about 35 degrees outside, and it didn't work, although it worked fine at home. So that's when I decided we needed a backup source of heat. This is the heater when stored away for travel. And I made a cut here in the framing of the seat for the hose to go through. And I lined it with aluminum angle iron so that it looks a little more finished. Here it is set up for use. I got the legs on Amazon and also the 5-foot rubber hose, which connects to this gas valve, and the gas line tees into the gas line for the furnace that's under this area here.